All right, so with example 2, we're given 2 cell phone companies and 2 cell phone plans. We're given that company A costs $20 per month, with calls costing an additional 25 cents per minute. And we're given with company B, it costs $40 per month, but calls are only 8 cents per minute. So I went ahead and set up the equations and provided a coordinate system here. With company A, total cost Y equals the cost per minute times the number of minutes X plus the initial cost or the monthly cost, regardless of how many phone calls you make, which is 20. So we set up our table here for 0. We don't really need to substitute because 0.25 times 0 is just 0. And then we have the 20, so we know we're at 0, 20. With 100, we have Y equals 0.25 times 100 plus 20, which equals 25 plus 20, which equals 45. And at 200, we have Y equals 0.25 times 200 plus 20, which equals 50 plus 20, which equals 70. Now we'll do the same thing with company B. Again, we're just picking 3 points and plotting those. With 0, we're going to have that initial cost of 40 because 0.08 times 0 is 0 plus 40 is 40. With 100, we have Y equals 0.08 times 100 plus 40, which equals 8 plus 40, which equals 48. And with 200, we have Y equals 0.08 times 200 plus 40, which equals 16 plus 40, which equals 56. Now, just a reminder, what we're looking for is Jesse uses 125 minutes each month. And we want to know which plan should she use. So in the X direction, we'll go ahead and label our axes. In the X direction, we'll go ahead and we will plot those at, let's say 25. We'll use a scale of 25. So this is 25, this is 50, this is 75, 100. And with the y-axis, we'll go ahead and we'll use a scale of 10. So we want to plot our points. Let's plot our points for company A. We have 0, 20. So 0, 20. With 100, so 100 is over here, we have 45, so 10, so we'll go to 100, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 5. And then with 200, so we have 125, 150, 175, 200, we're at 70, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And hopefully all of those points line up, and we'll go ahead and draw our line through all 3 points. So there is the total monthly cost for company A. And with company B, we have 0, 40, so 10, 20, 30, 40. 100 is at 48, so 10, 20, 30, 40, it's just slightly above. And then at 200, we're at 56, so we'll go out here to 200 again, and then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 56 is going to be right about here. And then again, hopefully those lines, or those points line up. And there is the total monthly cost for company B. So what we're wanting to know is, this question right here is 125, which would be right here. So if we look up here, we're looking at 125 minutes, which one is lower? And it's fairly obvious that company B is lower. So Jesse would want to use company B.